Most people believe you must start investing at 20 with a massive six-figure salary. Meet Alex, age 35, earning a modest average salary and feeling completely trapped by rising everyday expenses.
Relentless inflation quietly erodes savings, while retirement worries keep middle-aged workers awake at night. This video reveals the realistic three-stage blueprint to reach $1 million without extreme lifestyle sacrifices. Let me tell you a simple story about money that school never bothered teaching you. Phase 1 turns small monthly habits into an unbreakable financial defense shield against unexpected market panic. Compounding math cares deeply about your momentum today, never about your past financial mistakes. Building your first $25,000 is always the hardest financial battle you will face. Automatically transfer 15% of every paycheck into investments before paying any personal bills or expenses. Alex once speculated on a trending stock, losing 60% in 7 painful days. Build a 3-month cash emergency fund first so unexpected life events never force bad stock sales. You do not need an extreme lifestyle, simply cut unused recurring digital subscriptions today. Consistent monthly broad index fund contributions create the initial powerful spark of compounding momentum inside your portfolio. Reaching $25,000 proves that quiet discipline beats high earnings every single time. Crossing $25,000 triggers the flywheel effect, where money finally starts earning money. When Alex received a job promotion, he invested half the raise instead of buying a newer vehicle. Never interrupt compounding unnecessarily by panic selling solid assets during temporary market downturns. Uninvested cash sitting in traditional bank savings accounts steadily loses purchasing power to relentless annual inflation. Broad index funds grant instant ownership across hundreds of profitable global businesses with zero stress. Automatically reinvesting every single quarterly dividend check significantly speeds up your overall portfolio compounding acceleration rate. Reaching $100,000 marks the moment that investment returns begin matching your personal savings. Your portfolio now works harder every single day than any overtime job could ever pay. Growing from $100,000 to $500,000 takes far less time than your initial journey. Market dips are never catastrophes. They are rare clearance sales on high-quality business shares. Maximizing tax-advantaged retirement accounts protects your growing compounding gains from being drained by annual tax obligations. Avoid comparing your quiet progress with flashy online traders gambling on high-risk, speculative bets. Rebalance your asset allocation once a year to lock in gains and buy underperforming sectors calmly. Crossing $500,000 proves that patience and compounding mathematics effortlessly win the long game. The final sprint to $1 million runs almost entirely on automatic compound interest power. Your out-of-pocket personal contributions now account for less than 15% of total annual portfolio growth. When economic headlines scream panic, intelligent investors remain calm and execute their steady strategy. Owning shares of productive quality businesses ensures your personal capital grows faster than rising inflation rates. True wealth is not buying status symbols. It is owning complete control over your time. The exact day Alex reaches $1 million, true financial independence becomes his permanent daily reality. reality. Starting at 35 with a normal salary works when you respect time and compounding mathematics. You do not need extraordinary luck or financial genius to build lasting, multi-generational wealth. Start today by setting up an automatic monthly deposit into a low-cost total market index fund. Cut one wasteful monthly expense today and direct those saved dollars straight into your future. Tune out daily financial market noise, stay patient, and let compound interest perform the heavy lifting. 4 simple steps, 0 complicated financial jargon, and 1 clear roadmap to true freedom. Subscribe today to join our growing global community of patient value investors, building quiet wealth together. Building quiet wealth. The market rewards patience, not panic. Keep it simple. See you on the Simple Coin.